Hello everyone. Have you ever noticed that simply being present at work does not always mean being productive? An employee may be absent because of illness or may continue working despite being sick. Both situations can significantly affect productivity, employee well being, and organizational performance. Today, we will explore sickness absenteeism and sickness presenteeism, understanding their causes, consequences, and strategies for prevention. Sickness absenteeism refers to the absence of an employee from work due to physical, mental, or social health problems. In contrast, sickness presenteeism occurs when employees attend work despite being physically or mentally unwell, resulting in reduced productivity and impaired performance. Understanding the difference between these two concepts is essential for effective workplace health management. Sickness absenteeism is the visible disruption caused when employees are unable to attend work because of illness. Beyond affecting the individual, it interrupts organizational activities, delays work, and increases the workload on other employees, ultimately affecting overall productivity. Industrial sickness absenteeism has significant economic consequences. Every year, millions of working days are lost because of illness. In many industries, sickness absenteeism accounts for approximately 15 to 20% of planned working time, resulting in productivity losses. Employees may also lose several working days each year due to illness. As industries become increasingly specialized, even a small number of absent workers can greatly disrupt production. The causes of sickness absenteeism are not always due to illness alone. They can be classified into economic, social, medical, and non occupational causes. Economic causes include paid sick leave, which may encourage some employees to report sick even when they are fit for work. Social causes include family responsibilities such as weddings, festivals, repair of ancestral homes, and seasonal agricultural activities like sowing and harvesting, especially among workers from rural areas. Medical causes include occupational accidents, which account for nearly 10% of sickness absenteeism, along with common illnesses such as respiratory and gastrointestinal diseases. Non occupational causes include nutritional deficiencies, alcoholism, drug addiction, and other lifestyle related conditions that reduce an employee's ability to attend work regularly. Understanding these diverse causes is essential for developing effective workplace health policies and reducing sickness absenteeism. Preventing sickness absenteeism requires addressing its root causes. Good workplace management, effective pre employment and periodic medical examinations, healthy labor management relations, and proper ergonomic design all contribute to a safer and healthier work environment. Early identification of health problems and supportive organizational policies help reduce absenteeism and improve employee well being. While absenteeism is visible, sickness presenteeism is often described as the hidden drain on productivity. Employees may appear physically present at work, but illness limits their ability to perform effectively. As a result, organizations experience reduced efficiency even though employees are not absent. Several factors encourage employees to work despite being ill: organizational pressure, fear of losing employment, heavy workloads, financial concerns, limited paid sick leave, and workplace culture all influence this behavior. Some employees also continue working because of personal commitment, professional responsibility, or concern about increasing the workload of their colleagues. Sickness presenteeism can trigger a cascade of negative effects. Initially, reduced work capacity leads to decreased concentration and lower quality of work. This increases the likelihood of mistakes and reduced productivity. Employees may then experience worsening health, prolonged recovery, and an increased risk of burnout. If infectious diseases are involved, they may spread to co workers, affecting the health of the entire workplace and increasing organizational costs. Reducing presenteeism requires a comprehensive organizational approach. Regular review of workplace policies, flexible work arrangements, supportive leadership, and employee education help create a healthy work environment. Occupational health services, mental health support, ergonomic improvements, and cross training of employees further strengthen organizational resilience while protecting worker health. Comparing sickness absenteeism and sickness presenteeism highlights their differences. Absenteeism is clearly visible because employees are not present at work, making it relatively easy to measure through attendance records. Presenteeism is often hidden because employees remain at work despite illness, making it more difficult to identify. Although absenteeism causes direct productivity loss, presenteeism may have an even greater long term impact because employees continue working with reduced efficiency while delaying recovery and increasing the risk of errors. Building a healthy and productive workplace requires a unified strategy. Organizations should establish strong workplace policies, create supportive leadership, encourage a positive organizational culture, and promote employee well being. Investing in occupational health services and preventive measures benefits both employees and employers by improving productivity and reducing healthcare costs. The key message is that organizations should value true work capacity rather than physical presence alone. Employees who are healthy, supported, and encouraged to recover when ill contribute more effectively to organizational success than employees who simply remain present despite illness. Creating a culture that prioritizes health ultimately leads to better productivity, improved morale, and a more resilient workforce. To summarize, sickness absenteeism and sickness presenteeism are two important occupational health issues that influence employee well being and organizational performance. While absenteeism results in visible loss of work, presenteeism often causes hidden reductions in productivity and may have even greater long term consequences. By addressing the underlying causes, strengthening workplace policies, promoting occupational health, and fostering a supportive work culture, organizations can improve employee health while achieving sustainable productivity. Thank you for watching.